This episode is brought to you by twolinedmusichutstore.com. Twolinedmusichutstore.com is your all-access to culture. Check out cultural merchandise like leggings, hats, mini boxing gloves, and bags. Also t-shirts like hip-hop, nature, rock bands, reggae, and dark fantasy. Fast shipping worldwide. That's twolinedmusichutstore.com. Now let's check out this episode. How did you come across the Skillibeng?
Well, got the bling, Claims Records, they gave me brick on brick to distribute. So they brick on brick. I'm saying, I have rhythms for this kid, I know I have some rhythms for this kid. I'm listening to brick on brick and I'm listening to him and I'm saying, I know I have some rhythms for this kid, So link him on Instagram. And him give me his WhatsApp number. And then I link him and say, yo, man, I have some rhythm for you, dog. And, yo, you want to hear them? Hear them. You know what I mean? I sent him a couple of rhythms, Crocodile Teeth, with everything. Him sent me back Crocodile Teeth. So I'm looking at it like, what the fuck is this? What is this? Oh, my God, this gun, that gun, everybody, Jesus.
Remember, you're the copper shot man. So
I know. But this is like 35 years later. But checking out the tiki people and like the young kids and stuff, and researching all of that. So all right, boom. All right, let's shoot the video. Shot the video, boom, and that was it. That was it. It was over. I don't know another record that had so many people on the record. Like the Tory Lanez's, the Bobby Shmurdas, the Nicki Minaj, the Cardi B's, the Burna Boys, the this one, the that one, the this one, the that one. I never, tell me the other record that did that.
It's been a while since we've seen something where so many people were messing with one record. It's been a while.
It sure has.
Yeah. Crocodile Teeth. So from there, it took off. And did you guys start to work together exclusively, or this was
No. He already got his whatever he got. Whoever he deal with them way there, like management and label and thing. We just work independent. You know what I'm saying? A couple of songs here and there. But he said that I should get an album or an EP. I said I should. I think I should too. Started out as an EP and turned into this album.
So how do you connect with Nicki Minaj to get the actual, is that an official remix?
Republic, a Joshua thing, he hit me. The A&R. A&R hit me and we just made it happen. Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah, just like that.
Yeah.
Simple. They were trying to be slick in the beginning, talking about their artist. I was like, well, let me tell you, who is your artist? They're trying to be slick. I'm like, come on now.
You've been around the block for a while, so clearly you know a couple of things.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Even with that same, before we even leave the Crocodile Teeth, with that same thing there too, I knew that Shensia did a freestyle on Funk Master Flex, and you weren't really happy. What happened with that situation, Johnny?
All right. So the A&R for Interscope and them type of people are hitting me because they need me to sign a waiver for Hot 97. So they're going to use Crocodile Teeth. So I send Crocodile Teeth, the original. That's not what me hear on the radio. Them use a lick over one from YouTube because she couldn't fuck with the original one some kind of way. It was throwing her off. So I said, all right, fuck it. You know what I mean? It's still my rhythm. The rhythm has to be. So I signed the thing and made her do it. Everybody said thank you, except them or whatever. But, and then you go on and you don't even big up the kid. Or, I care less about a big up. Big up Addy, big up Skilly. You don't have to say nothing about Johnny. I'm good. But I don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. I mean, even if I did a live before that saying, let bygones be bygones, what do you think I meant by that? You know what I mean? Let's all right, boom, you did what you did. All right, boom. Let's move on. You know.
The life of Johnny Wonder, boss.
Yeah, dog.
So are you guys good right now, or you're doing your thing? Her camp is doing
I'm
her own
doing my
thing.
thing, they doing their thing. Who?
With Shensia's camp.
Oh no, they doing their thing, I do my thing. No.
Yeah. And you keep it good. Album Crocodile Teeth, you guys put it together. How long did it take for you guys to actually put together that album?
I had the Bobby. I had only his verse of Sweeten the Pain.
Mm-hmm.
And I had to fix it, put Dobby, put Lil Zach on it. And he voiced Dream, the Most Power, Eastside King. And then he did some of his Eastside records. There was 4 of them. I had 6.
Mm-hmm.
And then 15, which was Slingers, and the Spice, which was Masterminds.
Mm.
So I had 6 songs. Eastside had 4, and they had 1 each. And we basically, the way I do old school, I put the track list up, and I got the cover up with the track list, and we're moving things up and down, and we're taking this one off, and we're moving this over, and we're remixing this. That's how my board looks. You know, I don't think they've ever seen some shit like that. Oh, but then they couldn't do without it. They were like, yo, go to the board. No, take that, move that. You know what I mean? So that's how I'm used to doing things. I'm used to doing things like that, putting together albums. And I'm telling you, it was an album from kind of scratches. I mean, you know, it's like 90% of songs nobody's ever heard before. You know what I mean? I mean, it's not like a compilation that I take from this one, I take from that one, I take from this one. You know what I'm saying? That's a compilation. We did an album. We tried to do it from scratch. You know?
And when was release date on the album?
October 15th.
Okay, so we're talking about a little under 2 weeks ago.
Yeah,
How's the album doing right now?
Well, the album is, you know, it's doing okay. You know, it's getting ready to go into the RCA, you know, machine. You know, because he's signed to RCA now. They picked up the album.
Oh, RCA?
Mm-hmm. He signed to RCA, Sony. Yeah. So it's going to go into that machine now. Mm-hmm. We'll see what that puts out. Mm-hmm. You know, we have a couple of songs we think we might run with as singles. I mean, they don't have to take my advice. I mean, you know, but.
And even though we know that Crocodile Teeth was the big song, but that came out almost 1 year before the album. How come you guys decided to name the album Crocodile Teeth?
Because Crocodile Teeth, the single, got so much traction everywhere that we would be stupid not to call it the Crocodile Teeth album. You know? We had to just say, no. This is the single. This is the album. You know what I mean? Like, if you love the single, you're going to go listen to the album. Mm-hmm. So we didn't have to refamiliarize it because it was already familiar. So people will say, what is this? Crocodile Teeth album. Okay. You know, that's why we did it. You know, I did it really. We wanted to capitalize on that whole wave. Mm-hmm. I'd be stupid not to.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.